In conclusion, 9 to 5 jobs are not outdated, instead they are evolving. And it provides financial stability, like it ensures a fixed income. For example, two brothers, one has 9 to 5 jobs and invest money, and one is an artist selling drawings. They can't even sell drawings most of it. An artist or an entrepreneur, they spend their whole life selling drawings or having chances trying a business. Meanwhile, a person with 9 to 5 jobs have a fixed income. And you are telling us that we don't have enough family time. What about you all? You all can't even earn money. Having one or more jobs does not prove a both.
My closing statement, I would just like to conclude like that Gen Zs want careers, not cages. They prefer passion over jobs. They want more jobs to be performed. They want various things to do at various times. They don't want to sit in one bench and complete and just sit and do one work in front of the computer from 9 to 5. That's why I would just like to tell that many entrepreneurs have been successful in if they are not doing 9 to 5 jobs. They have chosen to not be a slave under their boss and have decided to go on themselves, like Elon Musk. But the people who are sitting from 9 to 5 and doing their jobs are just normal people and they cannot do anything more.
It's not like that. It's not like that. It is pure.
9 to 5 jobs are the 9 to 5 jobs are the effort that everybody puts. I'm telling extraordinary effort. Effort.
But we have to get some financial income to study your family condition.
That is what we're saying.
So you're saying that we have to do jobs. We have to have a particular job.
When did I say that we don't have to do
So after you pass out college or something, like before you get a job, you need to hunt for a job. Okay. So like if you have a part-time like hustle culture, you can at least have a stability till you find a
But there's a
perfect
lot
job.
of way in 9 to 5 jobs, you have a stability, you have a fixed income.
Yeah.
You can't
You
have nights so you can't feed your family like
Before
If you have a 9 to 5 job and your salary is 10,000, but being an entrepreneur, you have chances of getting an income, a monthly income of 1 lakh rupees. What would you choose?
Yeah, but in those chances you may not get.
Yeah.
So if you
think about everyone.
So you just want to no, you don't want to make any innovation. You don't want to do anything new in life. You just want to sit at that place 9 to 5 traditional jobs.
Yeah, but we are enjoying also after that.
You can invest.
And after
How can you say that you're enjoying?
You were talking about the 10,000. You can invest 2,000. You can get an income. You can get extra.
How are you sure? How are you sure that you will get?
Why do majority of Gen Z want to still go to IITs or crack NEET or something?
Because they want to get high paying jobs.
Yeah.
It proves that
Why?
they're opting for jobs over hustle culture.
You see, even IIT is promoting entrepreneurs. If you watch that serial Shark Tank India, you will see that most of the people who are from IIT are becoming entrepreneurs and are also doing a side-by-side job.
But by cracking NEET, you can get a high paying salary. It ensures the
It is
future.
not. It is not.
1 out of a million is cracking NEET.
But it ensures the future.
Yes,
Yeah.
but what about the other people?
It has a fixed salary.
They will be in depression and stress.
But they will try.
Yeah.
Like if you.
Why do you want a fixed salary when you can get even salary in millions?
But there's a high risk for that.
But then many people
Not
are failing
every-
also.
not
Not
every-
everyone are successful.
See,
That only I'm telling in NEET many people are failing. Everyone is not
if you have
successful.
Listen.
In NEET everyone is not getting successful. Most of the people are failing only.
Many
And how you are trusting NEET after what is happening right now?
That's the government's problem. Now we are talking about the entire world, not India.
Yeah.
How are you
If we are talking about the entire world, 52% of Gen Zs are supporting hustle culture and 48% are questioning.
That's blue.
But if you have two different jobs, how can you concentrate on them both? You have to like concentrate on one job.
Yeah,
And
you
if
have to
you
have
have
financial
a
income.
job, you
I have to concentrate
So
on
we
one.
are the people who are supporting
able
hustle
to handle
culture.
this simultaneously. Yes,
But only
They do not need to work.
But why do we need to slog for 10-15 years for 9 to 5 being in a lockup?
It's not like that. You are getting a fixed income, and
It is not necessary that everyone is getting a fixed income.
everyone is everyone is getting fixed
Nobody-
income.
a 9 to 5 job like McDonald's pays very minimum wage.
If you skip one day, your salary comes
What I can't do? Pardon.
If you just give one day of doing your job, the salary also gets
It's not compulsory.
It is. If you have a part-time job, like a hustle culture, your salary does not
It's your
get
own
reduced
thing.
even if you take a leave. As you said, that hustle culture is good, but how is it good? You're getting so many risks and there's not a fixed income. And how can you say that people are not getting depressed by hustle culture?
by paid jobs, they also getting
How can
discouraged.
you say that they're getting depressed by agriculture?
But we are asking you a
How
question.
can
You have to
you-
answer
how
that.
can you-
We
We
are
are
changing the
counter-questioning
topic.
you.
I told you
We
that
are
the
counter-questioning.
statistics
We are not
are
changing the
more
topic. We are on the
people
topic.
You want?
But first answer, how are they not getting depressed with so much stress of different jobs?
Okay, they are not getting stressed because they're getting flexibility from the different jobs. Now answer
They don't
me,
have to beg
why
their
are
boss
they
for
getting
leave.
stressed and why are they getting
They're
depressed?
not getting stressed, they are getting
That is, they're not getting stressed.
Yeah,
They
can
can
enjoy their personal time after
You just
5.
told it.
Exactly.
They can get their personal time after 5.
Still 9 to 5.
Most
So
of
you
the
can choose how much time. Listen, 9 to 5 jobs offer you work from home, right? You can complete your work, you can do hustle culture. That